I got the gas of the cylinder that goes to the front.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on the Dodge 1000. We're going to be taking this jack pump off and putting on one I just bought, and we will see if we can get this lifted up and see if we can turn the engine over from the front. If you're new to this channel, my name's Casey, and we're here working on this Dodge 1000, trying to save it from the scrapyard. Please go back and check all these other videos out that we have and that we've done on this truck before. Thanks for watching. Alright, so the fittings are moving, but I believe it's a JIC fitting, so it's got the tapered pipe or fitting, and that fitting's not turning separate from the nut. Got it. Thank you, Lord. One way to get a bolt off. kicks in there. So for some reason, I'm gonna feel the pump up more, but for some reason it's not like building pressure. I'm not too sure why. Nothing's leaking. It's only got one cylinder and I can see the lines all the way up and I don't see anything leaking. So I'm gonna fill the tank up more, maybe that's the problem. All right guys, so we're pulling up the cab up with a winch because the cylinder, the packing in the cylinder started going out. So we're just winching it up right now. Alright guys, so we tried just turning the motor over just by hand on the fan, and it doesn't do anything. I don't know if you guys could tell me what this engine is. The tag's missing on it. It's a Cummins, but I'm not too sure. The tag right here should be right on this deal is gone. So I'm gonna look around for compression release. I don't know why it's just from sitting probably is why it's stuck. Alright guys, so we got a breaker bar on the front crank bolt pulley. We got the let's see, you see that lever? Yeah. You want a screwdriver to jam through it?
Yeah.
You got it?
Hmm?
You got it?
Got it?
Yeah, I'm damn. I didn't go in either way. Alright guys, so I think it's pretty locked up. Let's see, I got it down there. Alright guys, so we tried to break the engine over and it's not going. We even pulled the compression release off or out and it's still not going. We tried putting the transmission back together, the shifter part, and see if we could move that, but it's not moving either. But I'm pretty sure it's in neutral. And so if any of you guys know what type of engine this is, please drop it down in the comments. Like I said, I know it's a Cummins, and it looks like a small can. What?
Now you gotta release it.
What? You're riding up in here. Damn, it's tight. Alright guys, this is gonna be it for today. We're packed up. We're gonna try and air up the tires a little more. We're having some valve stems that aren't taking any air. We talked to the guy and he said that we can go ahead and move it. I think I got a plan on moving it. Not 100% sure. I'm gonna try and find some new wheels and tires for the front. I'm gonna try and get the tires in the back aired up. Thank you to all the subscribers that have subscribed to the channel and liked the videos and commented. Please comment if you know anything about these engines, trucks, anything. Please drop it down in the comment. Let me know. And man, sorry I'm out of breath because I've been trying to get my compressor started. It's not starting. But yeah, thank you to everyone. I really do appreciate it. We've got over 600 subscribers. I'd like to make it, my goal is to make it to 1,000. I'm gonna try and keep on putting these videos out for you guys. I probably wouldn't have even came back to this truck unless it's for you guys. You guys have been liking the videos and watching them, so I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching this video, and please hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share, anything, please. I really do appreciate it. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys all have a great Memorial Day weekend. See you next time.